In this guide, I'm going to clear out whether you can log into GCash without an app or not. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in GCash Sign In. Now navigate to its official website, gcash.com. You cannot fully log into GCash without the app because it's designed as a mobile-first service and requires app-based authentication for security. But you can log into GCash through this website to view certain details or use your partner services, but for full account access such as sending money, paying bills, or verifying your identity, you'll still need the mobile app installed on your phone. So go ahead and type in your phone number over here and click on next. You'll be receiving verification code in your phone number, type in that, or the password, and you'll be logged into GCash account in the web version. So that's it. That's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.